So today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch, even if you don't have a Google account. Now, YouTube is by far one of the biggest opportunities online to grow an audience, and that's one thing you need if you're looking to start or already have started an online business. So I've built a six-figure business off the back of this YouTube channel, and I do get asked the question, what is the best way to set up a YouTube channel? Now, there are a few critical steps when you're opening an account to set it up in the correct way so you can use it going forward. And I'm going to walk you through those now. I'm going to dive straight on over into my laptop. One of the biggest things to understand is that a YouTube account needs a Google account to nestle under. If you don't have a Google account, you need to set one up. Now, you can either go to Google and set up a Google account, then set up your YouTube account, or you can just simply head on over to here, which is youtube.com. And then when it says sign in, all you need to do here is come down and click create account. Once you click create account, I'm going to take you through the next steps, but this is also quite critical. So you've got an option here for my personal use, for my child, or for my work or my business. Now, if you're going to open this channel for your business, I really recommend creating a brand account, which is clicking on for work or my business, because this will allow you to actually have access rights to different admin users. So if you're building out team and you want to give somebody access just to your YouTube account, click for work or my business. Now, if you do not click this, if you actually click for personal use and then later down the line you want to give someone access to your YouTube account, you actually give them access to your whole Google account. So they'll have access to your Gmail, your calendar. So I would really recommend opening up a brand account, which is clicking on for work or my business, so you can actually add people as users or managing your account later down the line. But if you already have a Google account set up, or if you already actually have a YouTube channel set up and you just wanted to add an extra channel, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to go over into my channel, click on the avatar, and then just go to switch account. And then there's view all channels or add account. So just be mindful that every YouTube channel is off the back of a Google account. So people do get confused when they open multiple Google accounts and then decide on, right, I'm going to open a channel under each account. I would actually stick with one Google account. And if you are going to open a first or a second channel, actually use the same domain or the same Google account. So all we're going to do here is click add account, and then we get taken to the same page where we were if we were just going into youtube.com and asking to create an account. So again, I'm going to click on for work or my business and then click next. Now it's going to give me an option to actually use a professional email such as yourcompany.com. This is actually a Google workspace. It will cost you a bit of money, but it will give you a professional email with that. But as I already have that, this is an additional channel. I'm just going to click get a Gmail address. Then it's going to ask me to create an account, so first name and last name. Then it's asking for my basic information, my month, my day, my year of birth, and my gender. So then it's going to ask what email address you want to associate with this channel. So I'm just going to ask Gmail to generate me one. So I'm just going to go with what they've generated. It's a timpeakman1@gmail.com. Just going to use that and then click next. Then it's going to ask me to have a password. So if you're using any type of password management tool, I would recommend one password. And I have done another video on that, which I will link up. I'm just going to ask it to generate my password. Then it's going to ask for a recovery email. So I'm just going to type in another one here. Then it's going to ask for your phone number. So I'm just going to add my phone number. Now it's going to verify my phone number. So I'm just going to ask it to send me a code, and it's just going to send you that G-verification code. Look on my mobile and enter it now. Then, as I already have a few Google accounts actually set up with that phone number, it's just asking me to actually sign into that account now. Okay, so once you're directed back to YouTube, you just need to click on your avatar on the top right and create a channel. Now, the name of your channel, I'm going to go Tim Peakman Test. And then the handle, it doesn't really matter. They'll generate a handle for you. So it's going to be @TimPeakmanTest, and then just click create channel. So all this is going to do is create my test channel. And then I'm just going to talk you through and walk you through the next steps that you're going to need to do. Okay, as you can see, there's not much here. I haven't created any content for this channel, but the first thing I would probably do is actually get a profile picture. So you can actually either just click directly on the profile and it's going to take you into your YouTube studio. Also, a way of getting to your YouTube studio, you can either click customize channel or manage videos. That's how to actually get into your YouTube studio. So here we are. I'm going to click continue. This is the YouTube studio of my test account. And then a few things here. So you can then pop this out to your YouTube channel, but I'm going to come down here and click customization. Now, the first few things here is I'm going to upload an avatar for this channel, and I'm just going to use the ones that I've got currently. You can then resize it just to see how you actually fit in the frame. That's good for me. I'm just going to click done. And then as soon as you make a change in your YouTube studio, click publish. And then you can click view channel just to see how it looks. Once it actually refreshes, you can then see that your avatar is up and running. Then I'd probably go back in and try and put a bit of a banner image. I have done another video on how to actually create a banner image, and I will link that up now. But I'm just going to upload something that I've created earlier. This is my YouTube banner artwork. And this just means that this space here is viewed across all devices. This space here is viewed across desktop. And if anyone's watching it on TV, this is what they're going to see. So I'm just going to click done. Again, if you want to know how to do this, I have linked it up. Click publish once you're happy with that, and then go back to your channel, and I'm just going to click refresh. So then that banner artwork will come through. The next thing that I would recommend is actually setting up a YouTube subscribe button. So come all the way down to the bottom, video watermark I would upload. Again, I have done another separate training on how to do this, but I'm just going to upload the watermark that I have already found. And again, it's selecting the right size for it and then click done. And then you have a few options here. You can either make this available at the end of your video, a custom start time, or throughout your entire video. So currently I've got this on 30 seconds into my video. This will then pop up for anybody to actually subscribe to my channel. And then click publish, and then you're going to be seeing that on your videos once you upload videos to your channel. A few other things I would set up right away, going back into this profile tab. This is the name of the channel, so I'm quite happy with it being Tim Peakman Test. Then the handle of your channel, YouTube gives you a handle, so you can actually just share youtube.com/@ Tim Peakman Test. So you don't really need this one here. This is the main channel URL. YouTube's done away with that. So then you can add a brief description. So if I was to go into my current channel, and then just click on more. This is the description that I use. Basically, the first line is all you see. So on a mission to help people build a personal brand and get more clients. As soon as that truncates, people can click more and then learn a little bit more about your brand. So I would actually fill out here. You've got up to 1,000 characters here. I've used 966 of them. I also put a link in here just if people are linking out to anything in terms of I have a free workshop. Then you can actually come down, and this is a place to actually put links. So if you do have a link that you want to put in here, I would say free workshop, and then I'd probably just, if I was promoting my free workshop, I'd just grab that link there and then put it out into the URL. And then an email address, I would always put in an email address. So currently I've got tim@timpeakman.com because that is my domain email. Now, this is a good thing because people are going to be finding your email address and can contact you, but just be aware that you might get a bit more spam emails, people reaching out to you for services. But if you wanted it to put a second email in here, like a hello or a team, you can also do that. So then once you hit view channel, this is what it would look like. So here we've got your main banner image, your avatar here. You've got a link out to a squeeze page or your home page or anything like that. And then we've got in here, we've got the description, the about. You've got another opportunity for a link here, like free workshop. Then you've got the email address that people can actually click on, and you've got the share function that people could share your channel. But there's a few more things that I would do initially whilst setting up your channel. I'll go back into your YouTube studio, and then I would click on settings. Few things here, the default units. This is effectively the currency that you want to see in your YouTube studio. So currently I've got that set to dollars. So then country of residence here, I would put wherever you are located. And then keywords, this is your opportunity to tell YouTube what your channel is about. These are more like phrases. So actually input some phrases like how to make money online. And then as soon as you hit return, that's going to actually put that in a phrase. So this is your opportunity to try and get ranked or try and train the algorithm to understand what your channel is all about. And then this is probably the last thing that I would set up off the bat. This is your future eligibility. So standard features, as you've just verified via phone, email that you are a human being, this is going to give you a certain set criteria of video uploads, playlist creation, you can add collaborators, and you can add new videos to existing playlists. This is quite a truncated eligibility here. If you want intermediate features, you then have to add your phone number again. So then you can actually put videos longer than 15 minutes. You can put custom thumbnails and live streaming. So it's just a very simple step. Just verify your phone number once more. It's going to send you another message to your phone. And then the advanced features, this is just another step in the verification process, and you can do one of these things like a video verification or uploading some valid ID and then click save. This is going to give your channel full range so you can actually upload videos daily, embed live streams, all of the functionality that a full YouTube channel has. So there we have it. That is how I would actually set up a YouTube channel from scratch. These are the first things you need to do before you even upload your first video. So hopefully that helps. As always, YouTube is half the battle. Growing an audience is half the battle. Then what you do with that audience is where it counts. I am growing this YouTube channel to build a business off of the back. If you want to see my entire business plan, I've got a free workshop for you. Just head to timpeakman.com/workshop. It's an on-demand training. You can get access now and you'll understand how to start to earn your first $1,000 of online revenue. That link once more, timpeakman.com/workshop. Get access today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.